3078. Wait nga mga sis. 3078. 3078. Ayan, green pala. Green yung na-code ko. Mindspace 3078 pink, green, black, mustard, yellow, mustard, choco, and brown for only 570 pesos. Again, sister, small, up to XL, up to 46 inches waistline and bust, sissy belts. Okay, ito sister yung ating next items. Baka bet nyo for this one is sissy belts. Okay, for only 570 pesos lang. Sisters, 3078. Mindspace, 3078. A pink, green, black, mustard, choco, and brown. Ayan, mga sisters. Hindi ko na ito na buttons lahat. Okay, mga sisibas. Ganda naman siya, sisi. With packet both side also. Okay, baka bet nyo for this one. Mindspace 3078 pink, green, black, mustard, choco, and brown. Small up to XL pa rin, sisters. All buttons working below the niyan, sissy bells, for only 570 pesos. Mindspace 3078. And then yung color mga sissy bells. Ito yung color pink when worn. So kapag bet nyo, Mindspace 3078. Next color natin, sissy, is yung color green. Kapag bet nyo naman for the green, Mindspace 3078 green. For only, matawag ito, for only sissy bells, for only 570 pesos. 3078. Wait lang mga sister ha. Sinuot ko lang yung necklace ko. Ito naman yung color green, mga sisters. Baka bet nyo for this one. Okay, 3078. Ayan, Mindspace 3078 green. Ito naman yung color green when worn. Okay, Mindspace 3078 green. Mindspace 3078 green for only 570 pesos. 570 mga sisters. Okay, 570 pesos lamang po for this one. Mindspace 3078, green, black, mustard, choco, and brown. Ito naman yung color green, sissy bells. And the next color natin, sissy, is yung color black. Mindspace 3078, black naman. Sissy bells. Mindspace 3078, black. Ayan, wait lang mga sisters ha. Ilagay lang natin ito dito. Para hindi nakakala. 3078. Ito naman sisi yung color black. Okay, color black naman for this one. Mindspace 3078 black. Ayan. Ito naman yung color black, sister. Ayan. Ito naman yung color black, sissy bells. Mindspace 3078 black. All buttons working, sissy bells. Button down, maxi dress. Okay. Kapag bet nyo, mga sissy, Mindspace 3078 black. Sissy bells. Mindspace 3078 black for only